What if I told you that you could build a successful YouTube channel without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without being an expert editor? In this video, I'll share 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas that have massive growth potential in 2026. These ideas are beginner-friendly, highly scalable, and many creators are already getting millions of views with them. Let's get started. Idea number 1. Stickman animation videos. Our first idea is Stickman videos. Take channels like Easy Actually. They reached over 1 million subscribers with only a handful of videos. The best part? Their editing is incredibly simple. Most videos use a plain black background, white text, one Stickman character throughout the video. You can draw the character yourself using MS Paint, Canva, or any editor with a pen tool. You can even generate it with AI. These channels usually cover topics like productivity, self-improvement, psychology, social skills, learning faster. The reason this style works so well is because modern social media is overloaded with flashy edits. Stickman videos are simple and easy to follow, allowing viewers to focus entirely on the message. Idea number 2. Everything Explained videos. The second idea is all-in-one breakdown videos. Instead of explaining one small topic, you explain everything related to that topic in one video. For example, every type of drug explained, every way to get rich explained, every type of humor explained. This format is becoming increasingly popular. You can use ChatGPT to help with research and scripting, AI voices for narration, and free images or icons for editing. This idea works in almost every niche: finance, science, psychology, wildlife, history, religion, technology. You'll never run out of video ideas. Idea number 3. Book summary channel. Millions of people want to read books but simply don't have the time. That's why book summary channels perform so well. Instead of reading a 300-page book, viewers get the most important lessons in just 20 to 40 minutes. You can read or summarize the book with AI assistance, rewrite it in your own words, record a voiceover, display the book cover with simple visuals. Another advantage? Book channels usually have higher CPMs, and you can earn extra money through affiliate links by recommending the books in your description. Idea number 4. Horror story channel. If you enjoy storytelling, this niche has a huge audience. Many successful horror channels use a very simple format: dark background images, creepy background music, deep narration, slow transitions. Editing is minimal. The real focus is storytelling. You can find stories on platforms like Reddit or even invite subscribers to submit their own experiences. If your storytelling keeps viewers engaged, this niche has incredible growth potential. Idea number 5. Monkey Explained videos. This is one of the most unique ideas. Instead of explaining complicated topics with humans, creators use cartoon monkeys and bananas. For example, if monkeys have one banana, bananas become valuable. Using simple monkey characters, they explain economics, finance, science, fitness. The visuals are easy to create using AI or simple drawings. The secret isn't the animation. It's simplifying complex ideas so that anyone, even a child, can understand them. Idea number 6. Quiz videos. Quiz channels are one of the easiest faceless content ideas. Examples include: guess the country, guess the logo, find the odd one out, guess the flag. The best part is that you only need to create one editing template. After that, you simply replace the questions, images, and voiceover for every new video. You can increase engagement by adding levels, giving viewers points, including hints, asking people to comment their final score. Because viewers actively participate, watch time is often very high. Idea number 7. Relaxing facts to fall asleep. Imagine listening to interesting facts while falling asleep. That's exactly what these channels do. Topics include space, history, science, nature, psychology. Videos are often 1 to 3 hours long. The visuals are extremely simple because people usually listen instead of watching. The most important elements are a calm voice, slow pacing, relaxing background music. Since these videos are educational and long, they often earn higher ad revenue. Idea number 8. Self-improvement channel. Finally, we have the evergreen self-improvement niche. Even though it's competitive, many new channels are growing rapidly with only a few dozen videos. Topics include communication skills, confidence, fitness, psychology, productivity, looks, maxing, discipline. The editing is simple. Stock footage, AI-generated visuals, movie clips, text, animations. However, the script is everything. Don't rely entirely on AI-generated information. Read books, research articles, and watch experts before writing your script. If you provide real value, your videos will stand out in a crowded niche. Conclusion. So those were 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas that have huge potential in 2026. Whether you're interested in animation, education, storytelling, quizzes, or self-improvement, there's an idea here that fits almost every creator. Remember, expensive editing isn't what makes a channel successful. Great storytelling, valuable information, and consistency are what truly matter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which idea you're planning to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.